In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add and view items on your Shein wishlist. This process will help you keep track of the products you love, making it easier to revisit and purchase them whenever you're ready. Let's dive into the steps and make your online shopping experience even more enjoyable. First and foremost, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Shein website. Type Shein into your search bar if you're not sure of the exact URL. Once you're on the website, you'll be greeted by a wide array of clothing, accessories, and more to explore. Take your time browsing through the categories that interest you the most, and don't forget to check out the new arrivals for the latest trends. Now, as you're browsing, you might come across an item that catches your eye. To add something to your wish list, start by selecting the product of your choice. Once you've clicked on the item, you'll find yourself on its product page. Here you can access all the details about the item, from size options to customer reviews. If it's something you want to save for later, go ahead and add it to your shopping cart first. This might feel a bit counterintuitive, but bear with me. After you've added your desired item to the cart, navigate to the cart by clicking on the cart icon, usually at the top right corner of the page. Here you'll see all the items you've selected, and next to each product, you should spot a heart icon. Clicking this heart icon is the magic move. It adds the product to your wish list, where it will be safely stored until you're ready to purchase. Once you've successfully added items to your wish list, it's time to learn how to view them. Viewing your wish list is simple. Look for the heart icon at the top right corner of the Shein page, symbolizing the wish list section. Depending on the website's design, it might also be labeled directly as wish list. By clicking this icon, you'll be directed to a personalized area where all your carefully curated items are displayed. Here, you can see all the items you've saved, making it easy to review them later. This feature is especially handy during sales events and when you're ready to make a purchase, allowing for a streamlined checkout process. Having a wish list not only keeps you organized, but also ensures you never miss out on purchasing your favorite items before they sell out. By following these straightforward steps, you'll be able to effortlessly manage and view your Shein wish list. Enjoy crafting your ideal shopping list and happy shopping!